Welcome to this tutorial on creating arrays with np.empty. In this video, you'll learn how to create uninitialized arrays for improved performance in your NumPy programs. np.empty is a NumPy function that creates a new array without initializing its values. Unlike other array creation methods, it allocates memory but does not clear or set the values. This means the array contains whatever data was previously stored in that memory location. The basic syntax for np.empty includes three parameters. The first parameter is shape, which defines the dimensions of the array. The second parameter is dtype, which specifies the data type and defaults to float. The third parameter is order, which controls memory layout and defaults to C-style ordering. To create a one-dimensional array, first import NumPy as np, then call np.empty with a single integer as the shape parameter. For example, np.empty of 5 creates an array with 5 elements. The values in this array are arbitrary because they represent whatever data was previously in that memory location. Creating a two-dimensional array requires passing a tuple as the shape parameter. For example, np.empty with the tuple 3, 4 creates a matrix with 3 rows and 4 columns. The tuple format allows you to specify arrays of any dimensionality. You can control the data type of your array using the dtype parameter. For instance, np.empty of 5 with dtype equals np.int32 creates an integer array. Similarly, you can create a float64 array by setting dtype to np.float64. Remember that the default data type is float64 if you don't specify otherwise. np.empty offers 3 key advantages. First, it's the fastest way to allocate array memory because it skips the initialization step. Second, it avoids the overhead of setting values to 0 or any other default. Third, it's ideal for situations where you'll immediately overwrite all the values anyway, making initialization unnecessary. Here's a critical warning about np.empty. The array values are unpredictable and may contain garbage data from previous memory usage. Never read from an empty array before initializing its values. Always fill the array with your desired data before using it in calculations. This unpredictability is the trade-off for the performance gain.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.